Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you this plasma LCD TV stand that we bought from Amazon, and it's in the color black, and as you can see there, it's just got those two levels there, and then it's got the top part where you put the TV. So I wanted to just show you as we assemble it, in case you're looking to buy yourself something similar. I'll put a link in the description to where I bought this particular one. So let's get started. So there you have it. So it comes with the manual. There you go, and it shows you all the different pieces. And then it also has this service card. So it comes with this, so all these pieces, QRST, UV, WX, and then X1, 2, 3, 4. And then it comes with piece 1 to piece 6 as well. And then it's got piece F, you can see there, all the way to piece P. So we've put the first piece, which is this one, and we've put it onto here in line with these holes. We'll put it there just like that. There we go. So we've got everything for the first part, and now we just need part B1. So as you've seen, that's how we've put it all together. So I'm just helping to hold it up because the glass is quite heavy, but as you can see, that's what we've done so far. So instead of using the Allen key, which takes a bit of time, we're going to use this drill that we bought some time ago, and it's got different heads that you can use, as you can see. So we're just going to use that, which will make the process so much faster. So now we're going to put the little stickers. And then there you have what it looks like here. So we've got over there. Perfect. So the next step, we've got E, this piece here, and then we've got these, which is J, 3 of these, 4 of these U, and then 4 of these R. So we're going to put it together. So we're going to put this piece facing this way, so you've got this part on top, and then you've got these 4 are going to go in line with these 4 holes. So now we're going to unpeel these pieces and then get rid of the little circle thing here, and we're going to stick the first one just there. And then the third one, we're going to put it on top there for now until we figure out where it's supposed to go. So you'll take 4 of the Q's, and then you've got 4 of the R's, and then you have 4 of the H, and then lastly you've got 2 of these F's. So then you're going to take the F, which is this one, and this way up, and then align it with the second 2 holes from the top. So you're going to put it here. So we're going to take the nails and put them at the back there with the washers already attached, and then align them here. And then we're going to put in those. So we're going to put this here. And then we're going to put these on the other end. There you go. And then do the same on the other side. And we're going to do the same at the top there on the nails. And then you're just going to put this thing here. There you go. And then screw in those little things there. Next, we're opening up the part B2. Okay, then you need 2 of these S1s, which are the softer ones, and then you need 2 W. So we've decided to take this part and put it here at the bottom here. And then we've aligned the glass, there we go, with the holes. And then we're going to align it over here. I'm going to tighten. Now the instruction says not to over tighten these. So just be very careful. So we're going to take M and we're going to pop it inside. There you go. And then do the same at the bottom. Yes, until you hear that click. So I think that's for the cables. Hopefully you can see that. You can put the cables through there. You see? In and out. So now this part is, you've got all these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You now need to choose which screw goes with your TV. So on further thought, because our TV already has these nails, we've thought of just using those nails. So we're going to undo them. And they go into the middle part of those items. Right, so we're going to align this and then drill it in. So just make sure when you're putting in these ones that this part is facing down. As you can see, these two are facing down and then these ones are facing up. Okay, so we've attached both of these and now we're going to drill them in. Okay, that's what it looks like there. So now the TV is sitting on that bracket there. And a closer look. There we go. Okay, then you need 2 of V and then 2 of O, these 2. So we have moved the TV down almost. So we have put it so that it's sitting on the very first groove here in order for us to put the next item. So these little things here, so the hole sits on top and then you just go and you let it sit down here like that, and then you're going to put the nail through it. So there you go. So we're just going to screw this upwards until it touches this part here, and we'll do the same with the other side. So it's screwed on and sitting over here. So this is the finished setup. As you can see, there's our TV. Then you've got the 2 different layers. Now this is approximately 110 centimeters. We thought it would be a bit taller, but it's okay. And we've got our TV and Wi-Fi box on those 2 levels. You can put whatever you want to put, and the cables are neatly stored at the back. You can also put decorative items on the 2 levels. So I really hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will also put a link to this product for where you can get it on Amazon. And until next time, bye.